Today, I'll show you how to buy stocks with Charles Schwab. Before you start, make sure your Schwab brokerage account is open, approved, and funded. You should also know the ticker symbol of the stock you want to buy, such as Apple, Microsoft, or Tesla. First, log into your Charles Schwab account. From the main menu, go to Trade, then select All-in-One Trade Ticket. Schwab uses this trade ticket to help you build and review your order before placing it. Now enter the stock symbol in the symbol field. Next, choose the action. Since you are buying, select Buy. Then enter the number of shares you want to purchase. Now choose your order type. A market order buys the stock at the best available current price. A limit order lets you set the highest price you are willing to pay per share. Schwab explains that order types can create different results, so it is important to understand the difference before submitting a trade. For beginners, a limit order can give you more control because you choose your maximum purchase price. Next, choose the timing for the order. For example, select Day if you only want the order to stay active for the current trading day. After that, click Review Order. Carefully check the stock symbol, action, number of shares, order type, estimated cost, and account. If everything looks correct, click Place Order. Once the order is submitted, you can check its status in your order history. If the order is filled, the stock will appear in your Schwab account positions. And that's it. You've successfully bought stocks with Charles Schwab. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.